more money with Google AdSense was never an easy thing for me to do 4 years back when I actually got approval. But trust me, after the first 1 year of getting approval, I've been able to scale up my Google AdSense to make me some decent amount of money every month. And that is the tips I'm here to share with you in this video. So hello guys, welcome to this video. And this video I'm going to share with you 5 simple tips on how you can increase your Google AdSense revenue. Trust me, these are things that I've tested and trusted for the past solid 3 years. I've been testing and working with these things, and trust me, over the years I've been seeing a huge progress with these things when it comes to making money with my AdSense account. And trust me, some of these things will take a year to start manifesting. As long as you implement them the right way I'm going to share with you in this video, trust me, these 5 simple things are actually going to make you a good amount of money from your AdSense account. This provided that you are getting some good amount of website traffic, which is really crucial, and I'm going to share with you some tips on how you can get that in this video as well. So hello guys, welcome to this channel and welcome to Press Tech YouTube channel. On this channel, all I focus on is everything that will make you take your blog to the next level, like sharing blogging tips and how you can make money blogging and other make money online tips, and also do come up with some tips on how you can create some reaction videos and the rest to grow your YouTube channel as well. So if this sounds like it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video so that the algorithm will show it to more people that also need this help. So with that already said, before I get started with today's video, here is it. Do not skip any part of this video, because these 5 things I'm going to share with you were things that actually take my Google AdSense monthly revenue from making $100, $200 to actually making thousands of dollars every single month from Google AdSense. And trust me, these are things that have really worked for me, and I'm here to share them with you. So with that already said, let's get started with today's video. Let me share with you these 5 simple tips you need to increase your Google AdSense revenue. So the point number 1 here is simply doing high CPC keyword research. So this is the most important when it comes to your AdSense revenue, and not just the most important one, I would say, because when it comes to making more money with AdSense, AdSense literally pays you the more per click. Though AdSense also pay per page view, but most of their revenue actually comes with a click. And for you to make more money with these clicks that come through, you need high CPC keyword. So in case you don't know, high CPC keyword are simply keywords that advertisers are bid hugely for. So for example, I want to go and run a Google Ads right now, and one of my targeted keywords is how to make money online. And AdSense then shows me that, okay, for me to rank on the top page of Google for this particular keyword, or any website to be at the top of any website for this particular keyword, I will have to pay a certain huge amount of money. And now when you the content creator, write on this particular keyword, trust me, you are going to make a decent amount of money. Reason being that I the advertiser have paid hugely for this money, and when that ad is shown on your website, you also earn hugely. That is simply how Google AdSense works. So Google AdSense pays you per click depending on the number of keywords you target, the quality of keywords you target on your website. That's why I see some people, they create content and get up to thousands, like hundreds, thousands of clicks on their AdSense, yet they don't make up to $2,000 or $1,000. This is normal, because the keyword they targeted on their website simply don't have any value from AdSense. So when you are before you start creating your content, make sure you do high CPC keyword research. These are keywords that advertisers are paid hugely for, as I've already said. So in case you don't know how you can do keyword research and find these high CPC keywords, well, the video showing at the top there, you can click on the eye icon. They'll simply check this video description where I also link it. On that video, I've really shared a full guide on how you can do high CPC keyword research. This one we are using Google Owns tool. So that tool is actually a tool that advertisers use to see how much they are going to pay for a particular ads before they before they can run that ads on Google. So when you use that tool, you're actually going to see which keyword advertisers are paying the most money for regarding to your niche. And trust me, you are going to make more money from doing this rather than creating random content and just focusing on your traffic. You might get millions of traffic, but if you target low CPC keyword, you're also going to make nothing at all from your revenue. So guys, that is about the point number 1. Is simply do keyword research and pick high CPC keyword. And as I said, I've created a video that will be showing you that, and will be linked down in this video description. So the point number 2 here is simply utilizing the power of manual ad system to optimize your ad color and text for your website. So this one is one thing I see a lot of advertisers overlook when it comes to running AdSense ad on their website. So if you are using AdSense ad on your website and you really need clicks for you to make money, which is a must, because for you to make more money from Google AdSense, you are required to get a decent amount of click, and those clicks are simply what they pay you for. So assuming you've created a content that targets high CPC keyword, and yet you are not getting clicks on the ad displayed on your website, you are not still going to make money, because those CPC keyword advertisers paid on it on the condition that they are only going to pay Google AdSense the money they budgeted for it if they get clicks on it. So even if high CPC ads are showing on your website and no one is clicking on them, they are not still going to make you money. So this way you need to first of all customize your AdSense ads and the text to match the content on your web page. because everyone, when they come to websites, everyone, when they see ads on your website, even when you see ads on your website, you usually identify that this is an ad, and most ads cannot be trusted these days. And most ads cannot be trusted these days, in the sense that some ads, what behind them is totally different from the information that is displaying on them. So a lot of people don't click on ads that much like before again. So the best way to get this click on this ad is actually editing this ad to make sure that it looks like the content on your web page. Because when the content on your web page actually matches with these ads, trust me, people are likely to click on it thinking it's content that is related to your page, because AdSense will show ads that are related to the content on your page. And when those ads you implement on your website matches with your page color, your page text, everything, trust me, in that way you are going to get more clicks through your ads, and more clicks simply means more revenue. So the point number 1 and number 2 here simply works together. One, you get the high CPC keyword, and then you optimize your ad to look like the content on your web page, and then when users come to visit, they are likely to click on it because the ad will be recommending things related to the content you've created on that particular web page. So that is about the point number 2. Simply optimize your AdSense ad to look like the content on your web page. And the point number 3 here is simply enable related ad search on your web page. So this one, AdSense latest update. So this one was among the latest update AdSense actually make, and not everyone is using this feature. So what AdSense related ad search simply means is that this ad feature on AdSense, that when you turn it on, each of your content are actually going to carry other topics that are related to that particular blog post. Assuming you created a blog post about affiliate marketing, now in that blog post, AdSense is going to put a kind of ad that blends with your web page. So this ad will look like exactly like your web page, and those links within them will look like internal linking that you are recommending other content related to that topic. So assuming you created the content, and the content is all about affiliate marketing for beginners. Now in between that content, AdSense is going to place this sort of ad called related ad search. So in that ad search, what normally shows is that if you create the content about affiliate marketing for beginners, now AdSense will be showing tips like 10 things to do for how to grow as an affiliate marketer, successful affiliate marketing tips. So AdSense will be showing these ads that blend to that particular topic you are talking about, so that users are likely to click on it to go read more. And trust me, this thing actually increased my revenue when I turned it on. Trust me, the first month I actually turned this thing on, it didn't convert well, but the second month, trust me, when you are eventually getting used to the sort of content I create on my website, this thing actually skyrocketed my revenue. And AdSense sent me an email just a few days ago. I think I will be displaying on the screen right now, which says your revenue actually grows by 400 and something%. And trust me, this is 100% legit with AdSense. So when you enable this sort of ad, this ad gets more clicks than the main ad AdSense literally shows on your website. So at times I even wish if AdSense can just dismantle every other format of ad they have and display just this sort of ad, because this ad just communicates with the content you've created and give users other options of content to go and check outside your website, and those clicks actually convert even more than any other forms of click on your website. So that is about the point number 3 here. Simply enable related ad search on your AdSense. This one will give you more revenue as well. So in case you don't know how you can enable this, don't forget to let me know that in the comment section, because any topic, any point I create here and any points I share with you here and you don't get it well, and I didn't recommend a video for you to go and watch on this channel, then know that I haven't created a video related to it. So if you need a video related to how to enable that particular ad feature on your website and let it display, don't forget to let me know that in the comment section, and I'm going to create a video on that for you. So that's about the point number 3 here. Enable that ad format, and trust me, it's going to make you a lot of money. And I believe you can see you just saw the message I displayed there. I was able to achieve this huge growth from my AdSense revenue the day I actually enabled that feature on my AdSense account. So hello guys, that is it about the point number 3 here. So now let's move to the point number 4 on how you can increase your Google AdSense revenue. So the point number 5 here is simply getting traffic from top quality countries. So this one is one key thing that actually determines every single AdSense account revenue. The country your traffics are coming from, the countries you are getting the clicks from, will entirely determine how much you make, because each country has a certain amount that has been budgeted for ads. So assuming you are getting traffic from the United States, a single click from an ad from someone in the United States can give you around $2 to $10 depending on your CPC. Like in my case, in my previous video where my CPC actually was up to $20, a single click from United States would have given me $19 to $20. Trust me, that is simply how it works. And that's why I was able to achieve it, because I did that keyword research that I talked about in the point number 1. So if you are still watching this video, then trust me, you are getting the best knowledge out of everything here. So the point number 4 here is simply make sure you are getting traffic from top quality countries. So these countries could be countries like United States, Australia, Canada, Netherlands, Germany, United Kingdom, and all these tier 1 countries. Make sure you are getting some decent amount of traffic from there. This doesn't mean that you should change your entire website content entirely to make sure that you are getting traffic from those places. No. Depending on the kind of website you run, depending on where your targeted audience are, when you are focusing on the rule I said in the point number 1, trust me, that will be much more better, because if you go and watch the video I recommended in point number 1, that video will tell you how you can do keyword research depending on the country you are getting the traffic from. So assuming you are getting your traffic from Nigeria, and then you go and do that keyword research I said in point number 1 and use United States, you are not going to get the results unless you pick Nigeria and see what people in Nigeria are actually budgeting for their ad rates as well. So hello guys, that is about the point number 4 here. Simply make sure that the country you use when you are doing your keyword research, you are getting some decent amount of traffic from there, and make sure that those traffic coming are quality traffic and not just random traffic every day coming from different parts of the world. Make sure that you get an audience focus, and whenever you are doing your high CPC keyword research, be it to write normal content on your blog, be it to increase your Google Adsense revenue, make sure that your research is based on that country and let it convert well. So that is about the point number 4. You simply get a quality amount of traffic to your website from quality countries. So now let's move to the point number 5, and that's what I have for you. Simply make sure that your website design and content are user focused. So you ask me, how does this resonate to your AdSense revenue? So here is how your website design and then your content can determine how much you make from AdSense. So assuming you've targeted high CPC keyword, getting traffic from top tier countries, and then you've enabled a related search ad, and then yet you are not still seeing the revenue. This is because your website design is not eye-catching enough to keep audience on your website. Like when you go to my website perestech.com, this is one of my websites, and that's my official website perestech.com. When you go to perestech.com, just take a look at how the website has been designed and arranged. And if you visit this website to read any content, all the content are very easier for you to navigate through, read and understand. And in this way, you don't expect ad revenue from that particular website or user engagement rate to be compared to a website that is crappily designed, like my former blog, or when you go and use a Wayback Machine and see how my blog was 2 years, 1 year back, you see the big difference that I've made during this whole process on that particular website. And this is really important. So whenever you are designing your website, make sure that your main focus of designing the website should be that I'm not designing this website just because I want to make money from AdSense. I'm not designing it so I will have more space to put ad for AdSense. No, I'm designing this website so that it will keep audience on my web page, because the more times audience spend on your web page, the more value you get on search engine, because it sends a good signal to search engine that, hey Google, this website has some valuable content. It has a very neat design that when audience come here, like they just forget that they have other things to attend to, and they just spend the whole of their day on this particular website. Google will be like, wow, that's good. Then let's push this particular website up a bit, and let's increase its ranking. And then on AdSense also, this also implement, because the more time you spend, the more time a user spends on your website, the more ads that person is likely to see, and the more ad that person is likely to click. And this is why I love AdSense ad. AdSense ad are actually set to open in a new tab. So when audience click on ad on your web page, they send them to a new page, and someone who is reading an interesting content on your web page, or who is loving your website design, is likely to come back to your website again to continue whatever thing he has been reading before he clicked on that ad. So this is one thing you need to know when you are designing your website. Make sure your design and everything is user focused to keep users on your web page, so that they'll spend more time on your web page. This will help you both organically and also increase your Google AdSense revenue. So I believe these 5 simple tips that I've shared with you here has helped you. And if you still need more tips on how you can make money blogging, which I always recommend, that do not monetize your website with one single method. Don't monetize your website to just add revenue. It won't be enough, because the more money you start to make, this one thing about life, the more money you start to make, the higher the things you like spending your money on, the more you will see things that actually need repairing on your website, and you'll be spending more money on them. Like the more things that will be demanded from you. So you need to monetize your website in multiple ways, so that if your ad revenue is sorting those bills, you have the rest to keep to yourself. And that's why I recommend this video displaying at the top here, which is 5 ways on how you can actually monetize your website effectively and make more money from it. So that already said, if this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed, I don't see any reason why you watch this video to the very end and not smash on that subscribe button. And also consider sharing this video as well. And also drop a like, because the more like you get, the more the algorithm will show this video to more people. So that already said, have a nice day. Bye.